Hello friends, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and in this video we will share some of the FAQs on the Coolpad Cool 1. So the Cool 1 is the latest mid-range phone from Coolpad, which comes with a 5.5 inches display size, and this is powered by one of the really powerful chipsets, the Snapdragon 652 octa-core chipset, coupled with 4 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage. It also has this dual camera with dual tone, dual LED flash. So in this video we'll try to answer a lot of questions our viewers might have, and in case we have still not answered your queries, you can also post a comment in the comment section, and we'll be glad to help you out with these questions. But we'll try to cover almost all aspects in this FAQ video. So let's start off the FAQ video, and first up, let's talk about the sensors. So this phone comes with quite a lot of sensors, and you can see we have installed the CPU-X app, and you can see there is a lot of sensors included: accelerometer, magnetometer, gyroscope, ambient light sensor, and a lot of other sensors are also included. So this is one of the really good devices with which comes with almost all sensors installed. Next up, the display. So display on this device is a 5.5 inches screen size, and this is a really vibrant and colorful display, and definitely is one of the good aspects about this display. So you can see here the viewing angles are really good. The touch response also feels pretty good. So overall we would say the display on the device is pretty good. So next step, the SIM cards. This is a SIM tray, and it supports nano SIM cards. So 2 SIM cards can be installed, and we can also say that it supports Geo. That's VoLTE out of the box. So we are right now using Geo SIM card, and we can make calls without installing any other third-party app. So there is VoLTE support out of the box on this device. So next step, let's talk about the storage. So this phone comes with a 32 gigs of storage, and out of the 32 gigs of storage, around close to 24 gigabyte is available in the first boot, and this phone cannot expand the storage because there is no micro SD card expansion slot on this device. So you have to go with the 24 gigabyte storage available to the user. So next step, the fingerprint scanner. So this phone comes with a fingerprint scanner on the rear panel, and this has a mirror-like finish, and the fingerprint scanner response is really good. So we are just unlocking the device, and you can see that it's pretty good and pretty responsive as well. There's no lag in unlocking the device, and it does a pretty good job with the fingerprint scanner. You can also take pictures using the fingerprint scanner. Next up, the software. So this phone comes with EUI out of the box. So EUI is the UI of the Coolpad device, the LiCo devices, and this also comes with EUI. That's the version 5.8 on top of Android 6.0 Marshmallow. So EUI comes with a few handy features. One of the prominent one is the multitasking and the quick toggles arranged in a single window. You can see that if you press the multitasking button, you can see the multitasking option, and also some quick toggles are arranged, and the UI looks quite decent overall. There is also some additional apps like phone manager, which allows you to optimize your device. There is also remote control app, because this comes with an IR blaster, so you can also use this as a remote, and it also comes with decent features included. There is also support for themes. Some basic themes are included. You can also download a couple of them, and these are the software options in this UI. So that's the software of the Cool 1. Now talking about the performance. So this phone comes with a Snapdragon 652 octa-core chipset coupled with 4 gigs of RAM, and the performance in day-to-day tasks is really good. It's a really fast and performing device in this category with the Snapdragon 652, and in day-to-day tasks you won't have any issues on this device. So next up, the gaming. So we already done the gaming performance of this device. So when we tested the gaming performance, the gaming was pretty good on this device without any lags, but some frame skips did happen. But the major issue with this device in gaming is the heating. So when we tested the device, we got almost 54 degrees on this device. So that's not really a suited device for gaming in this price segment. So that's one major concern for this device. The gaming performance is good, but the heating is pretty high on this device. So next up, the benchmark scores. So you can see the Antutu benchmark score is 74418, which is really good score for a mid-range phone. And we also done the Geekbench test, and here are the samples. The results. You can see a single core is 1466, and the multi-core score is 3004, which is really good because of the Snapdragon 652 octa-core chipset. Now talking about the camera performance. So this is one of the really good devices in camera performance. Is that it has dual rear camera, dual dual 13 megapixel rear camera with dual LED flash and a front 8 megapixel camera. Now the camera interface is quite good, and if you have used Coolpad devices previously, you can see that the camera performance is pretty good. It comes with almost all aspects. There is a pro mode and a lot of sensors, modes and filters are included. There is also a mode which allows you to take pictures with a background defocus. You can see it provides some really good options. So the camera interface is really good, and here are some of the samples which we have taken with this device. It's definitely one of the good cameras out there. The dual 13 megapixel camera does a pretty good job overall. Now talking about the battery performance, so this phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery. That's a really good capacity battery, and the battery performance is really good on this device. With heavy usage, we could get almost close to 1.5 days of usage, and if you're a moderate usage, you can even get more than that. So battery isn't a worry on this device, and the performance of the battery is really good. Now next up, the speaker performance. So the phone comes with a speaker located at the bottom panel, and the speaker performance was quite good. A decent performance. We wouldn't say it's a really stunning performance, but above average performance on the speaker. So next up, USB OTG support. So similar to the LiCo devices, the LiCo La1S, the La2, there is no USB support using the USB OTG cable, but you can use the USB C-type pen drives available. That will be supported on this device, but not via the cable. You cannot use the USB OTG cable and connect the device. So that's not supported on this device. So notification LED, yes, it has the notification LED, and this is located here, and it does provide notification LED for all missed calls or battery notification on this device. And finally, the availability. So we are not very sure about the pricing, because this video is made prior to the announcement of this device. So this device will be available on Amazon, that's our guess, but the pricing we are not really sure on that, but the availability will be on Amazon. So that was the 15-point FAQ of the Coolpad Cool 1. So hope this answers most of your queries, and if you still have any query on this device, you can drop a comment in the comment section, and we will be glad to help you out with your queries. So that's all guys with FAQ on the Coolpad Cool 1. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.